Today we're doing a Chefman toast air fry oven unboxing review. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the like and subscribe button. And follow me on Alicia A. Today we're doing a Chefman air toaster air fry oven. It's 7-in-1 application that air fries, bakes, conventional bakes, broils, convection broils, toasts, and warms. So it is a extra large, XL large, capacity of 225 L capacity. This is the picture. So we're gonna do an unboxing review. I'm just gonna show you what I see. Thank you for your purchase. You get on this website. Then it shows you 7 present options. You see interior light for easy viewing, air fries for healthier cooking, non-stick interior walls, a 6 slice capacity, convection bake with speedy results, shut off for additional safety, and great for leftovers, dishwasher safe accessories. So you see it's the broil pan, flat wire rack, air fry basket, removable crumb tray, and cookbook. And you can see that you can use different features for this air fryer oven. You know, you can bake pizza, casserole, everything else. So here we're just showing you the different settings on the air Chefman fryer oven, and we're just going to open it up to show you. And they have the drip pan so you can catch whatever falls. I'm having a little trouble right here. Okay, I got it. And then we happen to have these racks, and then there's the air fryer basket where you fry it on when you fry your food. And next we have the bake pan, and I think it's non-stick, so yeah, we have those. And then these are the different settings. You have all 4 settings, and this is how big the air fryer is. It's pretty big, it's pretty large. It looks larger in the inside, larger in the inside than the outside. So I'm just gonna pull these out to show you the inside. Pretty bigger than it looks on the outside. I'm just gonna put these back in. And yeah, I was just going to plug this bad boy up. I just removed the plastic and all that. And it comes with a cookbook. These are the 4 settings. See the cookbook? And then, so you just turn it on with that knob. It's a timer. And this knob is just the temperature knob. So Fahrenheit, all the way to 450. These are different knobs. It has different settings. There's technically the warm, the broil convection, the toast, the bake, the convection bake, and the air fryer. So I'm trying to right here just change all the settings for you right here. And then last but not least is the toast timer. So this is just strictly for if you're toasting anything, and it will ring. If you put it on toast, all the other settings like bake, broil, and warm and air fryer will not work, and you have to use that toast timer only. So it's Alicia A, and we are out.